Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel for Pasadena's Home Visit Chiropractor. I'm Dr. Phillips and I'm the owner and doctor for Sequoia Chiropractic. On this channel, you'll find several things. First of all, therapeutic exercise videos that will be for reference for patients who need to do these exercises, as well as for anyone who's interested in improving their posture. I will also include nutrition information and nutrition tips in different videos. I like to include videos of book recommendations anytime I've encountered a book that I found really helpful about health or just really interesting. I'll recommend it here. I also like to include segments on what I call health in context, where I find a podcast, an article, something about health that caught my attention and got me thinking. So I'll share what it was, what I think about it, and invite you to share as well what your thoughts are on it. And so I hope you take a look around and really enjoy what you find and that it gets you thinking. Oh, and of course I can't forget that I will also be posting chiropractic success stories and chiropractic myth busting here. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.